We learn from our experiences. We learn from the experiences of others. And since we've developed the technology to record those experiences, we learned much more. Today, we figured out how to preserve the experiences of a room, its sights, sounds, and data. A tool so well designed, people could use it as naturally as opening a book. A tool we named Replay. CAE Replay is a solution designed to be the memory of a room. It's recording 24/7, all the time, without the need for user interaction, and keeps everything for weeks. If any activity happens on a recorded segment, it's automatically saved forever. It really is the perfect tool to look back in time. Replay is a system made of smart hardware, capable of capturing and storing live high-resolution video and audio from the room, plus powerful software to retrieve and display AV content alongside of metadata. It's the most streamlined way to debrief. This design choice makes it easy to adapt to very different configurations and sizes. It requires no professional installation, no extended training sessions, and it's web-based, so it's accessible from anywhere. Yet it's not the availability of raw data that's the key advantage of CAE Replay's solution. It's the power of meaning and context. Notes can be added live by any authorized party or when reviewing after the fact. Also, live data from the patient monitor is not only recorded and graphically displayed, but indexed and available for search. You could ask Replay what was happening just as the patient's heart rate went above 90, and it would show you. Replay is not just memory, but intelligent memory. Whether you need to watch, debrief, search, or analyze, it's there. It's clear, and it's simple. Our next tool.